Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to cover about water management and how we can manage the water in rain-fed area. This water management topic come under agronomy course of unit 3. So let me share a video presentation with you.
So, water resource management. It is the activity of planning, developing, distributing, and managing the optimum use of water resource. It is also a subset of water cycle management. Water is essential for our survival, and one of the biggest concern of the water-based resource in the future is sustainability. Sustainability of current and future water resource allocation is also necessary. And the major component of water resource management is irrigation and drainage system. So coming to the water management in rain-fed area, micro catchment are the common technique used in the agriculture to collect the surface runoff, and this is to increase water infiltration, and also it's prevent the soil erosion. Coming to the second one, small pits are made through which the rainwater is collected, so that when rain comes, then the small pit will fill with the water, and that water later on available for irrigation purpose of the crop. So coming to the contour farming and terrace farming, this both farming practices are practiced mostly in hilly and mountain region. So first one is contour farming. This also helps soil to maintain its fertility by preventing downwash of the fertility topsoil of a farm, so that better yield will come. This method also reduces soil erosion by more than 50%, and this also reduce the loss of fertility of soil, and by that reduce use of fertilizer also comes. And this contour farming increases the soil water retention ability to ensure that enough water soak into the soil for good health of the plant. It also improves soil quality, irrigation, and water conservation, and also reduce labor cost of the farm. Other benefits are like it's very time efficient and reduce the use of machines also. So coming to the terrace farming, it's a broad flat steps are made on steep soil at right angle, so that flat surface is available to grow crops. This also prevents the washing away of soil nutrients by the rain. This also leads to the growth of healthy crop, and it also prevents the carrying away of plants by the heavy flowing river of water. And this also help in reduction of soil erosion as well as water loss. And the lastly, this terrace farming, rainwater trap, allowing the people to engage in cultivation of water intensive crop such as paddy.
So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you all will understand the topic which I had covered in this video. So happy learning.